Halloween 2026 proves you don't need expensive decorations to create a spooky home. With a few Dollar Tree finds and creative DIY ideas, you can design stylish Halloween decor that looks high-end while staying budget-friendly.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What farmhouse Halloween ideas can I make? Neutral pumpkins, burlap ribbon, black lanterns, distressed wood signs, and cotton stems create cozy farmhouse Halloween decor that's timeless and elegant. Love farmhouse style? Save this inspiration. What lighting works best with DIY Halloween decor? Battery-operated candles, lanterns, fairy lights, and warm LED lighting create a cozy atmosphere while highlighting your handmade decorations beautifully. Would you add lights to your Halloween display? What Halloween decorations can adults make? Elegant candle holders, gothic wreaths, decorative trays, neutral pumpkins, and vintage-inspired signs are perfect for adults who prefer sophisticated seasonal decor. Halloween or spooky? Tell us your decorating style. What Dollar Tree crafts work best for front porches? Lanterns, pumpkin stacks, ghost decorations, welcome signs, and wreaths instantly create a festive porch while keeping decorating costs low. Which porch decoration would you try first? What Dollar Tree supplies should I buy first? Foam pumpkins, wreath forms, glass jars, plastic skulls, wooden signs, candles, floral stems, and ribbon are some of the most versatile supplies for Halloween projects. Save this list before your next Dollar Tree trip. Why are Dollar Tree Halloween crafts so popular in 2026? Affordable DIY decorating continues to grow because people want creative seasonal decor without spending a fortune. Dollar Tree products offer endless opportunities to customize decorations that look unique and personalized. What Halloween DIY projects can be finished in one afternoon? Painted pumpkins, decorative jars, ghost lanterns, spooky wreaths, Halloween trays, and candle holders are quick projects perfect for a relaxing weekend. Weekend DIY anyone? Share this with your crafting buddy. How can I decorate small spaces for Halloween? Focus on shelves, entry tables, tiered trays, and windowsills. Decorating a few focal areas creates maximum impact without overcrowding the room. How do I keep Halloween decorations looking modern in 2026? Choose coordinated color palettes, clean arrangements, natural textures, and intentional spacing. Modern Halloween decor focuses on quality styling over quantity. Modern or classic Halloween decor? Comment below. What Dollar Tree supplies should I buy first? Foam pumpkins, wreath forms, glass jars, plastic skulls, wooden signs, candles, floral stems, and ribbon are some of the most versatile supplies for Halloween projects. Save this list before your next Dollar Tree trip. What makes Dollar Tree Halloween crafts worth trying? They allow you to decorate creatively without overspending, while adding a personal touch to your home. Handmade decorations also make Halloween decorating more enjoyable and rewarding. Which DIY idea will you make first? Let us know below. Can I make Halloween centerpieces using Dollar Tree items? Absolutely. Combine candles, painted pumpkins, faux moss, skulls, and decorative trays to build eye-catching centerpieces for dining tables or coffee tables. Save this centerpiece idea for later. What Dollar Tree supplies should I buy first? Foam pumpkins, wreath forms, glass jars, plastic skulls, wooden signs, candles, floral stems, and ribbon are some of the most versatile supplies for Halloween projects. Save this list before your next Dollar Tree trip. Like this if you love easy DIY projects. What Dollar Tree supplies should I buy first? Foam pumpkins, wreath forms, glass jars, plastic skulls, wooden signs, candles, floral stems, and ribbon are some of the most versatile supplies for Halloween projects. Save this list before your next Dollar Tree trip. What Dollar Tree supplies should I buy first? Foam pumpkins, wreath forms, glass jars, plastic skulls, wooden signs, candles, floral stems, and ribbon are some of the most versatile supplies for Halloween projects. Save this list before your next Dollar Tree trip. Like this if you love easy DIY projects. What Dollar Tree supplies should I buy first? Foam pumpkins, wreath forms, glass jars, plastic skulls, wooden signs, candles, floral stems, and ribbon are some of the most versatile supplies for Halloween projects. Save this list before your next Dollar Tree trip. Like this if you love easy DIY projects. Halloween Dollar Tree crafts in 2026 prove that stylish seasonal decorating doesn't require a large budget. With affordable supplies, creative ideas, and a little imagination, you can transform your home into a festive Halloween space that looks both unique and professionally styled. Like, comment, and follow for more 2026 Halloween, fall, and DIY decorating ideas.